Hi, thanks for joining me here at Agbuja Designs. My name is Michelle Agbuja, and today I'm just going to do hopefully a quick tutorial on how to enable your phone and your Mac to do talk to text. They call it dictation. I call it talk to text. What sort of drove me to do this tutorial was I didn't have it set up on my laptop. It worked fine on my phone. It kind of came that way. So I've always just used it there, but I wanted to do this tutorial and realized that I didn't have it enabled on my keyboard on my Mac. So I was watching this awesome video called Local SEO Audit with ChatGPT / how to do local SEO audit with ChatGPT. The author, I will leave in the description. I can't think of his name at the second. Oh, here we go. Chris M. Walker. Awesome video. Subscribe, like, all that stuff. A lot of hidden gems in there. Makes the process super, super simple. And so if you're interested in learning how to do a quick plan, basically, to optimize business for local SEO. He started going through the process of explaining, and he has a prompt that he put together that he offered to give to us for free. And as I clicked on the link, it brought me to another website. And I'm not sure if I had to download something. It was probably a lot easier than I imagined, but for me, I just need to make the process as easy as possible. And so the thought of having to click and do something else and download software, anything like that, just kind of immediately made me think, how else can I do this? Let me type it out myself. But it's really hard for me to toggle between screens and then remember what I've read and flip back and forth. And then I'm trying to do the keyboard. My hands don't work as well. And my vision is low. So it's all around just kind of more challenging for me to do that kind of stuff. And I thought, okay, well, let me write it down on a piece of paper. So I took out my pen, I start writing, and of course my hand starts to hurt. So I'm like, how can I do this without, taking up more time or more stress? So I immediately was like, oh, duh, talk to text. So that's what I'm going to show you today is how to do that. I'll close this for a minute. I'm going to go to the Apple up on the top left over here. Click, hit System Preferences. Once you go here, you're going to go to Keyboard right here. Double click. And all the way over to the right is Dictation. Just click on that tab. You're going to get an on-off. Here's our little microphone. If you turn it off, it's going to ask you, do you want to turn it off? Or when you turn it on, enable. That's pretty much it. So now that I've enabled dictation on the Mac, I go to my notes and I want to start talking so that it will type it out for me. But I don't know how to enable or how to toggle it on because right now it's not on and I can just type. So I see that the microphone button is on the very top row of my Mac, right above F5. So if I hit it once, it will open up this little microphone and it will start to do what I'm saying. And I could go on and on. The quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog, period. You have to be pretty specific with it. And sometimes I have to speak a little more slowly because it misspells things. And I always go back and edit it once I have completed my talk to text. So here I'm just going to click done. And there we go. Okay, so now that we have our laptop set up, we need to set up the iPhone, or at least double check that we have it enabled. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Settings, scroll down, and find General. scroll down, you're going to find keyboard. And once you get to keyboard, scroll all the way down and enable dictation. Once that is set, you're good. You're going to go over to your notes, open up a new note. This little button down here. And then you're going to hit that little microphone button and you can start to dictate what you want to say. And I'm on my phone, open up my note and just read. And then what I get, I share it in my notes, comes down right here. It did come in a little in need of editing. So I edited it. And then once I have that, I'm just going to go ahead and copy it, go back to my Google Docs and paste. Oops. Paste it in. And there you have it. Once you have that, you can save it, do whatever you need to do, and then you'll always have it to copy and paste. Just make sure, as you know, you'll watch Chris's video, but you have to update that with every business. So now you know how to use talk to text and how to enable it on your phone and your laptop. Please leave comments below, subscribe, tap that like button, and let me know what else you could be useful to you, and let me know what kind of resources you have. I'm always looking to make life a little bit easier. Have a great day.